How's it going, YouTube? The Bearded Brick again, here to help out with my lighting technique, my immortal technique. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up real quick. Let me show you that lighting does still work. I have it on just a 9-volt battery right now because there's 3 LEDs. Each LED is 12. Requires 3 volts to work, and that's why it's on 9 volts. When I add this 4th LED, I'll actually be connecting it to my wall to get electricity from the house. If you watched my previous video, you know I'm using a converter for that, or DC converter, 12 volt. So let's just kind of go ahead and get started. Let me show you the underbelly, if you will, of my street. So just real quick, this is what it looks like. Oh man, this thing keeps coming off. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, so you can see the hole there. That's one hole. Okay, there's another. Okay, and then the last one is right there. And that's where what the wire goes through. This wire is thin, so it's not gonna, really give you too much trouble with your base plates. Eventually, my CD will be actually on a 2x4 platform, if you will, where I'm gonna dig out some trenches or have them cut at Best Buy, so I can run wiring under the city, and it'll be like it's not even there. But clearly, it is. So this is going to be my positive lead, okay? That will be going to the negative prong of the LED, okay? The LED has 2 sets here, okay? You can see here, this is the 3mm LED, okay? The longer one is negative. The shorter one is the positive. Okay? So you're going to go negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So if this is going to be the positive wire, okay, you need to connect it to the negative lead of the LED because the current needs to flow through each lamp. So it needs to flow like a river or a stream or a lake or something. It has to basically has to be a circle, right? It has to be a loop, okay? This will end up going right here. The wiring will be underneath the plate, and this is where the Parisian restaurant is, and then the other half of the pet shop, which is, I think I have the apartment out there. Let me check. Yeah, the pet shop actually is out there. So let me go ahead and solder it, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Thank you very much for your patience. So I went ahead and I added the wire already. So this wire runs underneath the plate. It comes up to the plate through the 2x2 plate, and then it's right here, right? This is gonna be my my negative wire, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, my positive. Sorry. So that'll be positive. Go through there. It'll come right here. Boom. This is the one that we talked about earlier, right? This is the one that was connected before. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Thank you very much for your patience. Check this out. So we have boom, lit, 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 lit. Now, you can see the 2 connections there. This here, traveling underneath, and it's connected to this LED. So the loop is now complete. This one on the right, it's here, connected to the positive that's coming from this one, and I have it connected down here. So this is just temporary. What you see here, I am actually gonna make them a little longer and then add a switch, and that's connected to the wall. So right now the electricity from my apartment is feeding my LEDs. Very simple. You have to have a positive and a negative current, You have to create the loop. So this is going to be the, you know what, let's just pretend this is positive. So this positive is going to the LED, okay? And then there's a wire that goes from here to the battery, to the power, from this LED underneath to this LED. A wire that goes from here to here. Another wire that goes from here to here. And then this completes the loop. So just think of it as a circle, and you're good to go. That's it. That is how I do my lights. You've seen how I drill the holes. You've seen what I use, my equipment, my drill, the LEDs. If I wasn't clear on something, I apologize. This is my first, tutorial. I just got into YouTube not too long ago, maybe about a month. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's what it's gonna look like when it's connected to the city. 4 lights. Obviously this will come down. I'll pull it in there, right? So it's stuck in the housing, and then I'll add everything on there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. This is my city, my brick, my block. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking my videos, my pictures on Instagram. I appreciate it. I will be adding lights to the Parisian restaurant downstairs and to the painter's quarters. And then here I got some trades to send out. Just waiting on some hair, guys. I haven't forgotten you, I promise. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Be safe. If you're in Texas, in San Antonio, turn around, don't drown. Adios, bye.